What's going on? So I'm back today with another video, and I was inspired to do this look I found on TikTok. She did a blue look, but I like the white eyeliner that she used, and I actually wasn't gonna do any glitter, but then I did change the color up just because I didn't want to do the same exact look that she did. I hope you all enjoy and stick around and stay tuned. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this chartreuse green. I don't know if it's actually showing up on camera the way that I'm looking at it here in my mirror, but it is like a loud lime green. And y'all, I've been playing around with my lights. I'm trying something a little bit different because to me I was kind of looking washed out the other way that I had my lights set up, and I'm kind of limited on how I can set them up. So it's gonna take me a while to get that right, but I'm kind of liking this look. By the way, I'm using the Tried palette by Juvia's Place. Y'all, I haven't bought makeup in so long. So anyway, I use this one first. Let's see. Okay, so I use this one first, and I'm gonna go into this one right here. I haven't bought makeup in a long time, so I'm pretty much just using what I have. Y'all, I love these palettes. Okay, y'all, so what y'all thinking about this so far? Like, where is this going? I'm going to use the P. Louise base in Rumor number 1. Is that number 1? Yeah. And that's what I'm going to cut my crease with. I believe what she got going on is like a full cut crease. Or what do you call it? A closed cut crease. I like to leave mine open, so what I'm going to do at first is close it majority of the way and then fill it back in. Alright, so just going to tap off some of that product without disturbing the crease itself. This one right here. And just kind of diffuse that. Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am. She got like this kind of pulled in some, so it's more like this. Okay, so I mean I gotta do the same with these, kind of make it soft. So, because I did this first on the other eye, I'm gonna go ahead and do it first over here. For those of you who didn't know, that's how you hide your mistakes. What you do to one eye, you do to the next. Okay, so now I'm gonna put a little bit of black. Kind of just make it a little deeper. And then I'll blend that with this green. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the white eyeliner, and I'm using this white liner from NYX. Okay, so I haven't used this before. This how it look. I'm sure you probably seen this all over, but I was looking for a white eyeliner because I really wanted to do a look like this. So we're gonna see how this goes. Y'all, that junk tickle. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Whew. I might can't do this on camera. Okay, Lord. Oh my god, that really tickles. How y'all do that? I'm about to mess this whole look up. Not even playing. I do not like that feeling. I feel like we need glitter, so let's just do some glitter. So I mixed up some glitter, and I don't want to cover up too much. So I'm only gonna put the glitter like right in here. And I'm just gonna let that dry. You know, like get tacky and clear. And just tap it on. So now what I like to do is just seal the glitter in with my Ben Nye glitter glue. Because with chunky glitter, you do not want that especially to fall down in your eye. So I do that just as like a precaution. And you know what? I think it makes my glitter really shiny. Like, it's so nice. So I hope you all enjoyed this look. I had a lot of fun creating this. It was actually, like I said, a recreation, but I did my own thing. And I really like how this came out. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends.